Now this is one way to wash your feet. Just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like when I'm about to go to bed. I usually put the fan up there just to kind of help circulate the air. And that's hooked up to the inverter. Sometimes I'll just throw some clothes over there that I might be wearing the next day. I've got some strawberries over there. And if I lay down, this is it's got the I've got some water in that bucket I just washed up with, so it won't spill. I just kind of bungee it to this little cable tie I taped there. It's kind of ghetto right now, but just for now to kind of see if I like it there. So that way it won't, it's, you know, it's kind of floppy, so I keep it from spilling. And this is where the toilet will be when I use it. And I just keep the toilet paper there handy. Hung up my washcloth right there that I bathed with. There's my little battery-powered lantern. That's the only light source I use in here. I have flashlights and headlamps if I need them, but really that gives me plenty of light. And that's it. I like that I have several flat surfaces to put things. You know, just put my tablet up there, and I have this, and I have the toilet seat, which I'll probably set up that little electric heater right here and plug it in, and just in case I need to turn it on in the morning. And then I have this surface here also. So I like all these drawers in here. It works really well. So earlier when I ran that electric heater, I ran it down for about a half hour, and it only got down to 12.3 volts. And as soon as I shut it off, it went back up to 12.7. So I think that's pretty good. I also tied paracord to the kitchen back there on this side and the other side of these drawers to keep these drawers from falling over. Now if I need to open this drawer, I can just tuck it down here or pull it up here. So I left it a little bit loose. Normally I put the toilet here to hold everything anyway, but this is just an added precaution. I cut a slit in my little window shade to slide over the mount for the GPS. So this is what I woke up to this morning. I went to Maine to visit my daughter. She lives in Portland. This is a town near Portland, a friend's house. So I slept in her driveway last night, and my daughter slept in her house. Slept great. I used earplugs because they have roosters and all sorts of animals. So I'm spending the day, came here last night, spending the day here today. Hey, buddy. I don't know what we're doing. Something towards the ocean there. I want to be near the ocean today. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. And I joined Planet Fitness again, so there's one about 4 miles away. So I'm going to head to Planet Fitness and work out and take a shower. Just going to go for a little walk here now. I'm loving this GPS. I can just, instead of using the data on my phone, I can just put it in the search and it tells me the closest one. No, you can't come in here. No. Get. You are too friendly. No. Get. Shannon, why are they following me? Shannon! The chickens are after me. Bunny.
One of them.
This was to be there. Isn't this the one that's like a dog and likes to be around everybody, and now he has to be locked up? That's so sad.
I know, and I want him to
Ugh,
go
those
to
geese.
but he gets out, yeah.
Ugh, I hate geese. What kind of bunny is that? What kind of bunny is that?
I have no idea.
It's freaking huge. Isn't this, what's this one's name?
M&M.
M&M. Those are some furry bunnies.
Joe.
That's so sad.
I know. I don't want it there.
I like the little chickens. They're cute.
Yeah, they get murdered if they're out here.
What do you mean murdered?
The other animals.
Oh.
No, how rude.
Keep moving. Why is there a goat in there with a sheep?
That's not a goat, that's a sheep shaved.
It looks like a damn goat.
Don't you notice they have the same faces?
Oh, well, looks like the same face as a
I
goat.
hope this is going online.
These ducks are really cute. Hi, ducky, duckies. Why are these chickens all up on my grill here? I see why Alyssa's afraid of them. Not so brave now, are you? Ooh. You look vicious. Stop it. Oh, jeez. Check out this cow. He's vicious. Oh, my God. This is Maddie. He's basically a pet. You can't eat him or you can't milk him. And he will go after you if you're in there. Hey. Hey, Maddie. Will you stop following me? So guys, I'm all loaded up for my trip to New York. There's a front seat. This is mostly kayak stuff and my bike helmet. Got some water there and my chairs. The only thing extra I have back here is a bag of extra food, which I probably could have found a place for it. I just haven't done that yet. I could throw it in the front seat. I'm actually carrying about 15 gallons of water between this one, the one in my kitchen, and the one over by that door. But of course I can always refill there, but I just thought I wanted to see how much I could fit. I could actually probably fit my 2.5 gallon jug in here if I wanted to be crowded, but I don't really want to do that. I probably could have fit it here. The biggest thing that's taking up all this room is the cart that you put the kayak on to roll it to where you put in. You know, that's the biggest thing.